Welcome to another new video of niche add-ons. In this video, we are going to look how to create particular recipe widget. It involves 3 steps: add a widget, customize it, and final result. Let's begin with adding a widget. In search bar, search for particular recipe and drag and drop it in the widget area. Add image in the video image area, then give the video link. If you want animation for video button, select the Need Animation button. In Recipe Info, add recipe image and give the recipe infos. In Nutrition Info, give the nutrition content for the recipe. Click Add Item for adding next nutrients. In Recipe Ingredients, give the ingredients by adding its image and its quantity. Similarly, add all the ingredients by clicking the Add Item button. Finally, its preparation steps. Here, you are going to give the preparation for the recipe in step-by-step process. That's it. We are done with adding a widget. Let's start customizing it. Select the style option in the top bar. It will take you to the padding option for the section. Then margin. Typography edits for text. And finally, color change. Next will be the inner title. Similar editing options for inner title too. Then Recipe Info tab. Here you have editing options like padding, margin, typography for text edits, title color and line color, then you have options like padding, color change and size change for icon under icon. Next will be Ingredients tab. It has same editing option of section title. Similar editing options for nutrients info and preparation. But additionally, in preparation, you have typography edits for title and content and color change for title and content. Finally, color changes for dot and line. At last, button tab. Here it begins with button width, border radius, color, ripple color and background color change in normal and hover. Selection of border type, and finally box shadow of the button style. That's it for customization. Let's see our final result. Once everything is done, click on the update button and preview changes option. It will take you to the output of particular recipe widget. Here comes our final result for particular recipe. Here comes our restaurant plugin. For further details, you can explore our plugin. Link for the plugin is mentioned in the description. In this plugin, we have 50 plus elements. Click on the below mentioned playlist link to explore all the elements, how to create videos. For more similar videos, stay connected with niche add-ons. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next element video.